How to set call audio routing to Bluetooth headset speaker automatic on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we go down and tap on Touch. Now in here, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on Call Audio Routing. At the top here, you can choose Automatic, Bluetooth, Headset, or Speaker. Here it's a Call Audio Routing determines where audio will be heard during a phone call or FaceTime audio. So here you can set it to Bluetooth headset or speaker or automatic. After, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.